This is the Pacific Island American Experience course.
I'm Papalo Ete from Stevens Henniger College, and you're watching from a Poly perspective.
For you, he said I've been waiting for you. We don't need no drama, and you don't want no problem. You're grooving with the groover, you're loving is a lot of. Until you got a problem, I'll be happy to solve them. Just bring me a problem, fill it with knowledge, 'cause I ain't got time.
The type of music I do is a mix of a lot of things: R&B, soul, reggae. What I like about it is it's challenging. As an islander and as a musician, when I write music, I try to find that I am still an islander, and I try to put that in every song that I write. Sometimes it gets kind of awkward writing love songs and stuff like that, but being an islander, you have like a lot of sisters and girl cousins and all that stuff. So those are the kind of things that challenges me to like kind of step out of the box and to realize that music just frees me from all types of bondages. So I have an album that consists of all kinds of music, from life to even worldly stuff, and club music, and it even has a gospel track on it. And sometimes I kind of run into people that might criticize, like, well, how can you put a gospel song together with albums where you're talking about a whole bunch of other stuff, and that brings me back to like saying that music frees me. It's kind of a personal thing. It frees me from all types of bondages. The gospel track I got on there, I wrote that it was "Precious Lord, I'm at your feet. I give you my soul, all on this beat. Lord, it's yours. Lord, it's yours. They give me fame. They bring me money. I'm so solid because I give you all the glory. Lord, it's yours. Lord, it's yours. I grew up listening to a lot of Elvis Presley. And yeah, my mom just loves Elvis Presley all day, all night. So grew up with that and some old school Al Green and Bob Marley. Bob Marley came into my life in the 90s. I was like, couldn't afford CDs, so I was just listening to whatever was on Kava, or that if Kava doesn't take away the butterflies, I might just take a shot or two and the line. Yeah, and a quick prayer, always works. I don't have to go. Just kind of dropped out of school and took a big leap of faith, and so far so good. One of my favorite moments was actually here in Utah. Just happened to be sick and I was feeling really bad about the show, and as I was watching everybody that was opening up, I was getting more and more nervous because I felt like I was getting more and more sick, and my throat wasn't. It was all bad. So then I asked my brother. I was like, "Hey, can you give me a quick dressing real quick?" So we went to one of the dressing rooms, and it was kind of an awkward moment trying to tell people, "Hey, can you? It's cool if we have a quick blessing," because the bar is like right there. So we're looking at a bar, and I'm over here getting a blessing, and it came through. I came through. Yeah, it was here in Utah. So that's the first time I ever asked anybody for a blessing. My brother is really strong in the church, so I was really lucky to come here with him. They heard me break down some. He name my Polly Queen. wrote it. It was a dream I had. I write songs in metaphoric ways, so this is more, it sounds like a love song, but it's kind of a spiritual song. She came to my life in this concrete jungle. It was in the night. When she came and she cuddled up next to me, and I was like, who is thee? She said she's an angel sent here to set me free from living a life that lacks of love, from living a life that lacks of love. She said to me, baby, are you willing to fall in these arms so I can take you to a place so far and beyond? I got the keys to heaven's gate and I'm ready to let you in.